Can this $1 kitchen staple really give you a brighter smile, or is it making things worse? Let's bust the baking soda teeth whitening myth once and for all. Welcome to Healthy Habits Haven, your spot for science-backed natural remedies and wellness tips. If you love simple, honest health advice, hit subscribe and let's dive in. You've seen it everywhere: TikTok, Instagram, even your neighbor swears by it. Brushing with baking soda to whiten teeth. But is it actually safe? And does it work? Here is how people use it. Just sprinkle a bit on a damp toothbrush and brush for 2 minutes. It feels gritty, right? Baking soda is mildly abrasive, which means it can scrub away some surface stains like coffee or tea. But, and this is important, dentists warn that overusing baking soda can wear down your enamel, making teeth sensitive and even more yellow over time. The American Dental Association says it's okay to use baking soda occasionally, but not every day. For safer whitening, try mixing baking soda with a few drops of hydrogen peroxide just once a week. Or better yet, use a toothpaste with baking soda that's ADA approved. Here's what you might see after a few weeks. Slightly brighter teeth, but only if you don't overdo it. The best results? Combine this with good brushing, flossing, and regular dental checkups. Have you tried baking soda for your teeth? Did it work for you, or did you notice more sensitivity? Drop your experience in the comments. And if you want more myth-busting, check out my next video on the truth about apple cider vinegar for weight loss, link in the description.